We have to cure color sickness, hair sickness, feature sickness. Are you all with me? So just embrace yourself. Just say, this is fascinating. I tell my patients, don't say I'm stupid. Just say, this is interesting. This behavior that I have is fascinating. The behavior is just coming from what the system is ramming 24/7 non-stop for its genetic survival. See, teach them to hate themselves, and then all we have to do is bring some drugs in. Well, first we have to have unemployment. See, now it costs $45,000, $50,000 to maintain one black man in prison for a year. Why couldn't he be paid $45,000 take care of himself, a wife and 2 children? Oh no, we would rather have him locked up. Learn how to be a lady. Are you all with me? The person doesn't have to feel bad. No, a system is operating on us that we don't have a clue about. But we can begin to understand. Where there is no vision, the people will perish. Where there's no understanding, the people will perish. So we have to make up our minds that, wait a minute, we better understand this. Because just like Hitler said, I don't care about their religion. Talking about Semites of the Jewish religion. Read Hitler, Mein Kampf. He said, I don't care about their religion. I'm killing them because they're not white. See, we got a whole lot of black people who are miscegenated and could pass for white. That's what the Semites of the Jewish religion. They came out of North Africa. But if you move up into Europe and you miscegenate, we got a lot of black people. I think I'm going to have a baby by a white man because it's going to give my child a better chance. Anybody hear that before? We know all about that. So they had the same process going. They thought they were in. You see, but Germany's economy went south. Does that sound familiar? And when everybody is shaking and nervous, Adolf Hitler came on the scene. So what we're going to do is kill him. We're going to kill him. I'm going to kill 11 million was the number he set for himself. He succeeded in killing 6 million. See, 6 million. You ever start wondering where the people who are moved out with gentrification, where are they? Where are they going? Out of sight, out of mind. And if we are in a state of not caring about ourselves, we won't even raise the question. See, we will not raise the question because what? I don't care about myself. I don't like the way I look. It's okay if I'm dead. So, what? It's not about frightening, it's about, see, and I say this, that the creator of the universe made black people the first people. I'm not talking about a monkey. The first human beings, the first people to know about family life, the first people to know about God, the first people to know about mathematics, philosophy, architecture, engineering. And the Creator said, I made you the parents of everybody on the planet. So I think that the Creator, in a certain sense, is, okay, I'm going to test them. I'm going to have them taken through hell. And let me see whether they will rise up with what I made them to be. We are the parents of everybody, including white people. All we have to do is have a mutation to albinism, and that's white. It's a passage in the Bible. The sons of God saw the daughters of man, and they were fair. Meaning the sons of God, the crystal black people, saw the daughters that were mutations from man, and they were fair. What does fair mean? White. See, and it's just like I gave a lecture in New Hampshire a long time ago, and I told the white people, I said, maybe we owe you all an apology. We black people. So maybe we were the first child abusers. Because we are the first people. How many people are reading the articles that are coming out of Africa about how black people are treating the albino mutants? Yeah. Mistreatment, right? So here's the huge continent of Africa. Here's the Mediterranean. Here's these little tiny countries of Europe. Human life began right in this area. These are crystal black people. But for some reason, some albino mutants were produced. And we chased them out. And I say, that's the book of Genesis. Adam and Eve were in the Garden of Eden. They ate the forbidden fruit and became ashamed of their nakedness. See, doctors even now try to, some abnormality comes about. One of the first things we want to ask the mother, what did you eat? Did you eat the forbidden fruit? So the albino mutants were pushed out. And directly north of Africa is what? Europe. So they were pushed out up here. And thousands of years they collected, formed a big group. And then what did they do? They came back home and got the mothers and fathers who rejected them and took them west to America and said, now you're going to take care of the white baby. Put that little black baby in a box out in the field, and you're going to nurse this white baby, and you're going to take care of us without charge. And then Western culture history said that Western civilization began where? Come on, class, you don't want to repeat Greece? Rome. And the founders of Rome, Romulus and Remus. And what were they doing? So Romulus and Remus had to suckle on a wolf. That means they are foster children. Ooh. Are you all with me? And then what do Romulus and Remus start a culture that says what? The dog. See, the wolf canine.